Today we are making air fryer bacalao and chickpea croquettes, a light Spanish-style bite perfect for Easter. This recipe serves 4 people and takes about 45 minutes from start to finish. Let us get into it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 400 grams of cooked chickpeas, drained and rinsed. This will be the hearty base of our croquettes. 200 grams of desalted salt cod, patted dry. This brings authentic Easter flavor. 2 large eggs. They bind the mixture so it holds together. 80 grams of breadcrumbs for the mixture. This absorbs moisture and adds structure. 60 grams of breadcrumbs for coating. This gives a crisp finish. 80 grams of finely grated onion. It melts into the mixture for savory sweetness. 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced. This brings a gentle punch. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh parsley. It lifts the flavor and color. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. It adds brightness to the cod and chickpeas. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. A touch of Spanish warmth and color. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Adds gentle heat. 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt, or to taste. Adjust carefully because the cod has salt. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil for the mixture. It adds richness and helps bind. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil for brushing. We will use it on the basket and the croquettes. 120 grams of plain Greek yogurt. This will be our quick lemon sauce. 15 milliliters of lemon juice. It brightens the sauce. 1 small clove of garlic, grated, for the sauce. It gives gentle bite. 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil for the sauce. It rounds out the tang. A pinch of fine salt for the sauce. Season to taste. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius. Brush the basket with about 1 teaspoon from the tablespoon of olive oil for brushing. Place the 200 grams of desalted cod inside, and cook for 6 minutes until it turns opaque. Let the cod cool for 2 minutes, then flake it into small pieces, removing any bones or skin you find. In a large bowl, mash the 400 grams of cooked chickpeas until mostly broken, leaving a little texture. Add the 80 grams of grated onion and the 2 minced garlic cloves to the bowl and stir to combine. Add the flaked cod to the chickpea mixture and mix evenly until combined. Season with 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of olive oil for the mixture and stir well. Beat the 2 eggs in a small bowl, pour them into the mixture, and stir until fully incorporated. Add 80 grams of breadcrumbs for the mixture and fold until the dough holds together. Let it rest for 10 minutes so the crumbs hydrate. Make the sauce. Whisk 120 grams of yogurt, 15 milliliters of lemon juice, 1 small grated garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of olive oil for the sauce, and a pinch of salt. Keep it chilled until serving. Shape the mixture into walnut-sized croquettes, about 3 centimeters thick. You should get roughly 16 pieces. Place 60 grams of breadcrumbs in a shallow dish and coat each croquette on all sides, pressing gently so they adhere. Increase the air fryer temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and preheat for 3 minutes. Brush the basket with about 1/2 tablespoon of the olive oil for brushing. Arrange the croquettes in a single layer with space, then brush the tops lightly with the remaining oil. Air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, then turn the croquettes and cook 4 to 6 minutes more, until they are deep golden and hot in the center. Transfer the croquettes to a rack and let them rest for 2 minutes. This keeps the crust crisp. Serve the croquettes on a platter with the lemon yogurt sauce on the side. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Crispy, golden, and perfect for Easter gatherings. If you enjoyed this video, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a recipe.